The time has finally come. It is here, man. We've been waiting. I've been waiting for this. You've been waiting for this. You've been keeping me informed of when this thing is dropping. It is finally here. Raining Sorrow live on the USA bus. Raindrop. Now this thing's live, man. Ain't no do overs. Ain't no do overs in a live performance. You gotta hit that thing out of the ballpark, one take style. You know what I'm saying? Put something down in the comments. Actually, put some raindrops down in the comments. That's what I want. Put some raindrops down in the comments, man. Link to the original down in the description box. Let's get it.
Sunlight breaches through the room in a spectacle like in full bloom, and I wonder why can't I smile?
Wish 1075.
Feels like I can't take no more. The curtains, I have shut them closed, 'cause I don't seem to let that happy light.
It's a mental state. That's a mental state. It's sunshine, it's nice outside, and for some reason you can't appreciate it. This is a mental state track. You know what I'm saying? She's pulling you into her head and how she views the outside, even though it's nice out, sun shining, this, that, and the other. She can't appreciate it. Whew, let's go.
The curtains, I have shut them closed, 'cause I
Close
don't
yourself.
seem to let that happy light. They all say that they're gonna stay, but I know it's all a lie. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Look at her. Calm.
Feels like I've been shut inside a box where I can't see the light, and it don't seem that I want to get out. The people who have loved me so are in places that I do not know, and it don't seem that I really wanna shout. Sorry, forgive me.
Now, I'm assuming she wrote these lyrics. And when you hear somebody that young with these kind of lyrics, that shit is crazy. I don't know how old she is. I'm assuming she's Easy's younger sister, right? And he's young, so do the math. She's a lot younger or younger. When you hear lyrics like this from somebody that young, that shit is crazy. Let's
When
go.
it don't seem that I really wanna shout. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Look how calm she is, man.
My heart feels like an empty hole.
Oh, there it is.
Where I cannot console feelings that I do not know. The person that I used to be is lost inside reality.
This girl gonna be a real problem. I ain't look. As young as she is, I know I keep going back to her age, but that's one of the more impressive things when you see somebody do something like this with this kind of with a voice like this, these kind of lyrics at this age. I'm gonna keep going back to it at this age because as she gets older, she's just gonna grow as an artist. This girl's gonna be a real problem. Now we don't get no crazy vocal range in this track. At least we haven't so far. We still got a little bit to go. But when I finally hear a track from her where that range goes crazy high, I'm really looking forward to that because I know she got that in her.
What I was told. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am.
Wish exclusive on Wish
Inside me,
1075.
and now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Oh man, looked like she was getting emotional at the end of that.
Hey Wishers, this is RS. For more Wish
RS.
videos,
Keep
click
it short.
here,
RS.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here. Click here. Click here.
Click here.
Click here. Click here.
Click here. Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
Click here.
click here to subscribe.
RS. I like that. Keep it nice and simple. RS. The end of that, you can literally see it on her face and hear it in her voice. She would when somebody sings from emotion, you can see it. And at the end of that, it looked like she was getting a little emotional with that track. She's gonna be a problem. There's no doubt about that. She's definitely gonna be a problem as she gets older. She's gonna watching somebody. That is a good thing about following an artist's career when they're at a certain age and you see them. It's really something to see, man. So I'm glad I'm able to listen to her music, even Easy's music. That whole team, they're all young and they're going to grow as artists. And I'm glad I'm here for that, man. I'm glad I'm here for that. I like to see that kind of shit. Put some raindrops down in the comments. That's what I want. You don't gotta let me know that you're present. I'm gonna know that anyway by you putting down some raindrops down in the comments. I'm gonna know who's here. But that's what I want. Link to the Rizzo. This will be down in the description box. I'm gonna end this thing right here. This girl definitely gonna be a problem. I'm out.